And hello again, fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here, or what I have here, is one of the latest HG G-Quacks line, but from the B Bandai. We have the Gelgoog GQ. So yes, we already had Bokata's Gelgoog, and who was the other one? I think it was Sugai. Yeah, so we already have those released as non-P Bandai, but to have a Grunt Galgoog, it's a P Bandai. So unlike the Zaku, we had the Zaku Police, Charge Zaku, and just a regular Zaku released in the regular line, but the Grunt for the Galgoog was released as a P Bandai. Actually, they also released the Yan. Yeah, the Gyan, we have Saber's Gyan with the Hakuji packs, but the Grunt version of it is also P Bandai. Anyways, so yes, as you can see in the box art, it's really completely P Bandai with a monotone color. And yep, there it is, the Gelgoog GQ, which is actually a gem for me. Anyway, timeline, it starts. Yep, and up to the side, it just says this, Gelgoog GQ. Here it is. And another Gelgoog GQ. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we have one bag with 1, 2, 3 screws here. Another bag with 3 more screws or runners. Last bag with 3 more screws and runners, and we have a wire over there. And lastly, we have the instruction manual here, which is non-colored like other P Bandai, but it kept the aesthetic of the GQuuuuuux uh, instruction manuals here. So yeah, there it is. And yeah, because it's monotone, I'm not sure how helpful this will be. Anyways, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. And first off, we have is the C1. Yes, there is no A or B typically for all P Bandais. So we have the C1 here, which is, I think, are some parts similar to the regular releases. So a C2 here, all gray. Then we have the D here, which is all black. And of course the D2, I think this is where it stops with being, similar. The E screw here to the regular releases, and here comes, I think these are new screws, which is F1 here, multicolored one, and there's an F2 here, which is a multicolored, and the last multicolored screw is the G here, and of course we have the saber effect parts, and of course the wire here, because the Gelgoogs here are GMs for Gelgoogs. There's some wire construction going on. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this HG GQuuuuux Gelgoog GQ version, the P Bandai release of just the grunt unit. And yes, this is a kit without any stickers. So I think because they have great what do you call that, color separation. Hey, good job Bandai for having very minimal, actually zero stickers for this one. And I think it's a first for me. Okay, first for me. I encountered this one wherein a Bandai kit doesn't have any stickers. Gundam, any Gunpla, actually what I meant, with no stickers. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, you and the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.